Student, now we will revise long answer questions. Question number 1. Write difference between physical and chemical change. Dear student, physical change are those change in which no new substance are formed. Okay. Object during its change its physical properties like its shape, color, texture, temperature, etc. But when the condition is removed, that time object again come back to its initial positions. Okay. Whereas chemical change, dear student, are those change in which new substances are formed and original substance lose its original identities. Dear student, as I told you, physical change, no new substances are formed, whereas in chemical change, new substances are formed. Student, physical change, initial substance is not lost, whereas in chemical change, initial means starting substance are lost. Example of physical change, dear student, are expansion of balloon. When we fill air inside the balloon, it increases its size, but when we remove air from it, that time it's again gain its original structure and size. That is an example of physical change. Whereas, dear student, chemical change example is rusting. When iron come in contact with air and moisture, that time it form its oxide and hydroxide, which is known as the rust. Okay. Now we will revise next long answer type question. See, what are the difference between reversible and irreversible change? Student, a change in which initial substance can be obtained back. Okay? A change in which initial substance can be obtained back by reversing the activity, it is known as reversible change. ऐसा चेंज जिसमें कि इनिशियल सब्सटेंस कंडीशन को रिमूव करने के बाद अगेन अपने ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में आ सकता है, दैट इज अ रिवर्सिबल चेंज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन वी फोल्ड अ पेपर, during folding of paper it changes size, but when we unfold it, then again paper gain its original shape and size. Reversible change, dear student, a change in which initial substance cannot be obtained back by reversing the condition. It is known as irreversible change. For example, when we burn paper, that time paper turn into ashes. Ashes are new substance, student. But from ashes, we can't prepare paper. So, irreversible change example is burning of paper. Now see question number 3. Write 3 common uses of expansion and contraction of substance. Dear student, when we heat any substance, that time its molecule gain energy and start vibrating. Due to its vibration, it occupy more volume and it undergoes the expansion. But during contraction, when we cool any substance, okay, that time it lose its kinetic energies, molecule come close to each other, and it is known as contraction. 3 common use of expansion and contraction of substance are: first, fixing of iron rim on the wooden wheel. When we fix iron rim on the wooden wheel, dear student, that time first we heat the rim. That time that rim undergo expansion and increase its size and easily fit on the wheel. Then after cooling, this iron rim are properly fixed on the wheel. Next example, working of mercury thermometer. Mercury, dear student, it is a metal which is only exist in liquid state. It is used in thermometer. When it come in contact with our body high temperature, That time it undergoes expansion and rise its level that we observed, and but when it come in cool surface, that time it again come back to its original place. Okay. Third example is working of hot air balloon. When we fill air inside the hot air balloon, dear student, that time we heat the air which is present inside it with the help of burner. Due to the heating, molecule undergoes vibration and goes far apart from each other. As a result, the air inside it becomes the light and it starts flowing on the air. But when the fuel is not left inside the hot air balloon, that time the volume of density of balloon become more as compared to the density of air. As a result, it's come down. Now see next question. When a candle burns, both physical and chemical change take place. Identify the change. Dear student, when a candle burns, that time both type of changes take place. First, physical change is melting of wax, whereas when the candle burns, it reacts with oxygen and create the smoke. That one is a chemical change. Other example of both physical and chemical change is cooking of food, boiling of eggs. In these cases, dear student, appearance of the substance change means physical property undergoes the changes, whereas new substances are also formed. Next question, student. Why does a hot air balloon rises then come down to its own? मतलब हॉट एयर बलून कैसे ऊपर जाता है और कैसे वापस लौट के आता है. हॉट एयर बलून work on the principle of expansion and contraction, students. By heating the air inside the balloon with the burner, it becomes lighter than the cooler air on the outside. As a result, the balloon float upward. But when air is allowed to cool, the balloon begins to slowly come down. Okay, means it also work on the principle of expansion and contraction. When fuel is burned inside the balloon, that time air present inside it undergo expansion and it start floating, whereas when the fuel is over inside the balloon, that time the air present inside it undergoes contraction and it slowly comes down. Now student, we will discuss hot question answer. Question number 1. Explain through an example that both physical and chemical change take place together. Student, burning of candle is an example of both physical and the chemical change. Melting of wax is a physical change, whereas burning of wax vapor is a chemical change. Next, how can you say that breaking of glasses is irreversible changes as well as physical change? Breaking of glass, dear student, is a irreversible change because broken pieces of glass cannot be joined together. It is physical change, dear student, because no new substance are formed during this change. So, breaking of glass is irreversible physical change. Student, I think now you understand the question answer of this chapter. Thank you. Jai Gurudev. and have a nice day.